First, we identify how many records in the bank underscore train have the less common value. Yes for response using the value underscore counts command through the syntax. The count of yes responses will change depending on the partition. For the partition using the random seed specified in the previous Python code, there are 3,089 records in the training dataset, with 338 or 338 having the yes response value. Thus, about 12% of the training dataset has a yes response value. Say we want to increase the percentage of yes responses to 30%. Since we have p equals zero point 0.3, records equals 3089, and rare equals 338, we obtain x equals 3.0, open and close parenthesis, 3089 minus 338 divided by zero point 0.7 equals 841. That is, we need to resample 841 records whose response is yes and add them to our training dataset. To begin resampling, we isolate records which we want to resample by using this line of code. The lock command subsets the bank underscore train data based on the condition bank underscore train, open and close bracket, response equals yes, and saves the resulting dataset under the name to underscore resample. Next, we need to sample from our records of interest using this line of code. R underscore resample equals to underscore resample dot sample, open and close parenthesis, n equals 841, replace equals true. The sample command draws records at a random from to underscore resample, which holds the records we want to resample. The input n equals 841 specifies how many records to draw, while the input replace equals true specifies the sample with replacement. The output is a dataset made up of these 841 randomly resampled records, which was saved under the name our underscore resample. Finally, we add the resampled records to our original training dataset using this code. The contact command attaches two datasets by putting the rows on the top of each other. The result is a single dataset made up of records in both bank underscore train and our underscore resample, which is saved as its own dataset under the name bank underscore train underscore rebal. To check that the desired percentage of yes responses was obtained, examine the table of the response variable. It will display a table which will show that there are 1,179 records out of 3,930 with a yes response, which amounts to about 30%.